I have worked at the intersection of politics and the media for the last 25 years. I was a presidential aide to Clinton in the White House in the 1990s, and I'm the CEO at Politico. And our mandate at Politico is to tell the truth in politics, and that mandate has never been more difficult or challenging at the same time. Tuesday night, I think, showed that the election in 2016 was not a fluke. We have a deeply divided country in which the different sides see politics with a completely different reality. There's no way to discount the Democratic achievement of winning back the House, but I would also say big change isn't coming to our country in one night. Probably most troubling for me is the ill intent that I see on both sides, and you should expect our politics to get worse before it gets better. But there are green shoots and reasons for optimism at this beautiful school and on this beautiful day. More women are coming to Washington than ever before, 25% in the House. More young people voted in the election than ever before. And while our country is deeply divided, people are more engaged than ever before. And I would just say, we've faced much bigger problems in this country. The birth of our democracy here in Philadelphia, our Civil War, Watergate, the impeachment of President Clinton. There is no problem in our country that we cannot solve, but it will take political leaders with courage to work together and move our country forward. So thank you and enjoy the day.